The area of penny stocks, there's a lot of interest, but what are penny stocks themselves? Why are they so popular? And what are the dangers of investing or trading these smallest of the small cap space? Well, Graham Neary is with us from Cube.Investments. Graham, welcome. In your book, what is a penny stock?
Sure. Well, a penny stock generally would be considered a small cap. People tend to treat these terms the same way. And in a UK context, a small cap would have a market cap of less than £500 million. On the other hand, if we go to the really small end, we're in micro cap territory, which would be maybe less than £100 million as a round number. I mean, the name is misleading because it doesn't really matter what the share price is, whether it's in pennies or pounds.
Yes, okay, so it's market cap. Why in that case does this area receive so many headlines, as seems to be the case across the bulletin boards and in our newspapers and so forth? They're always being mentioned. Well,
it's exciting. You get a lot of drama in the small cap world because these are new businesses in a lot of cases. They're entrepreneurial, they're trying something new. People sometimes treat investing as a sport or as a hobby, and therefore small caps provide a lot of entertainment. They provide, you get your money's worth in entertainment from the small cap world. Whether the returns match the entertainment value, though, is another question.
Well, let's pick up on that point and ask you what the pitfalls are of investing and trading in penny stocks.
Well, sure. The problem with penny stocks is that a lot of them do tend to be worthless in the long run. So if you look at the AIM market, it's not that the companies aren't trying, but they're doing something new. They may be resource exploration companies, for example. They may be pharmaceutical companies that they're trying to release a new drug. They might have some interesting software. And a lot of times things don't work out. In the business world, most businesses fail. So if you're in the world of small entrepreneurial businesses, a lot of them will fail.
So is it just a question of playing the numbers as someone that trades these or invests in them?
Sure. So I think the correct way to play small caps, if you like, is to focus on something where you have an edge. And so if you have a particular sector expertise, you can focus on that sector. So that's what I do. I focus on sectors I understand. Everybody has their own insights. Some people are traders and they're looking for short-term movements, and that's a legitimate way to make money. I'm not very good at it myself. It's very difficult. But yeah, you definitely need to have a plan because unfortunately, in the small cap world, a lot of private investors end up being lambs to the slaughter because it's just so difficult. It's not that they're not trying or they're not smart. It's just a very difficult place.
Yeah, how does it compare with other areas of the market, the FTSE 100 and the FTSE 250?
Well, the FTSE 250 is the best performing index. So that's the index of FTSE 350 companies, the top 350 companies in the UK, excluding the top 100. So it's 101 down to 350. And there's some really super businesses in this index, and they're mid-caps. So they're more established, profitable usually, good businesses without the kinds of crazy risks that you often find on AIM. So they might be less exciting, but I suppose it's risk-reward.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's interesting insight into penny stocks and other areas of the market. But Graham, thanks indeed for joining us. Graham Neary is with us there from Cube.Investments.